This piece of plastic that's right in here is the piece that breaks. If you have a problem with your sun visor on your Ram, your Grand Wagoneer, or your Wagoneer, it's gonna get fixed with just 2 simple bags of goodness. Hey, what's going on, folks? As a good ordnance officer, we know what Mondays mean. It's Maintenance Monday. What I'm gonna share with you is gonna save you about $300 to $400, and you'll be able to do it yourself. First step is to open up this access door. You can use a small flat tip screwdriver to open this plastic door. Later on, I'll show you how you can actually take this off so that way when the modification is done, it's cosmetically nice. Now that we have this door that actually gives us access to the screws pulled back, we're gonna go ahead and gently reinsert this plastic piece that broke back inside of the receptacle, and we're gonna close the sun visor. Inside this box, you get a set of screws, and it also comes with both a Phillips and a number 20 Torx wrench, and you also get the adapter. So I've got my own number 20 Torx, so I'm gonna use my own wrench. These are the factory screws, 1/2 inch, maybe 3/8 of an inch. The screw that comes with the kit, maybe almost 1/2 inch longer than the regular screw. So the way this thing actually works is kind of simple, and I'm surprised that Stellantis hasn't come up with this. Now, this is a one-piece design. What you'll find on Amazon or any other marketplace is that you sometimes have a 2-piece design, and the 2-piece design is actually this rectangular piece here is a separate piece, and then you've got just the base plate. In this particular one that I bought, and again, links are in the description below, it's a one-piece setup. So this part essentially fits into the plastic, and it creates a bond where it locks in this pivot arm. And it's actually pretty simple. Comes with the screws too. As you can see here, if you stop right now and screw in these 2 screws, it'll fix it, it'll be great. But the problem is you still have this piece hanging out. All you have to do essentially is just snap it out, and it gives you a nice clean cosmetic appearance if you actually take off that door. As you can see, I was able to snap this door off. First, you want to hook, and then you rotate. So you hook that arm, you rotate it, and as you can see, it pretty much stays in position. You'll install the 2 screws. Now keep in mind, you are screwing into plastic, so you don't want to torque it down too much. All right, that's it. Well, let's take a look at the finished product. It rotates left and right with ease, telescopes with ease. Underneath its own weight with ease, no issues. Rotate it back, snap it in, and it's fixed. Now, the good thing about this is that this repair, both sides, costs you roughly in the neighborhood of about $25. Now, if you were to replace this through the dealership, you're looking at somewhere, parts and labor, at least somewhere north of $350. And if you get both of them replaced, then you're looking at an amount that's even more expensive. And oh, by the way, they're gonna replace it with the exact same plastic parts that it came with. Now, until Stellantis, through their Ram products and through the Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer products, improved the design of this, this is always gonna be a weak spot on both the driver's side and also on the passenger side. Again, it's a good repair, it's a cheap repair, and it definitely beats going to the dealership. Now you know.
Slow. Say you feel it. I feel it. Say you're ready. I'm ready. Let me be. Let me be. Let me be. When you grind that slow on me. Let me be. Let me be. Tonight we free, no sleep.